Okay, we're making the table. I'm using Lego as my support structure here. Very, very simple table. There's the tabletop. And we're going to glue the legs, literally one side, using the Lego as a support structure, and then glue the other side. So, to start off with, put a long length of glue on the end, top of your table leg, and place it flush, pushing down, and then literally the other side. You can of course decorate this table before or after. Same technique, push it flush, make sure it's in place, and then leave that to dry. You can sand off any excess glue once it's dry.